Hello students, now this is your science class. Students, today we will practice exercise as well as question answers of the chapter Water and its Forms. Chapter 10, Water and its Forms. In the last class, I have explained to you sources of water, forms of water, water changes into ice, ice changes into water, then water changes into steam, water vapor changes into water, and all this, the cycle of water cycle, that is called water cycle. The water cycle is the endless process that connects all the water on our earth. So, cycle that involves the circulation of water in the earth atmosphere system. Okay, so this is water cycle. Water cycle is the endless process that connects all the water on earth. So students, I have given one activity for the scrap copy. This one, this is water cycle. Today I will post it again. I will share it in WhatsApp. You will collect this, how you have to, where you have to do, how you will do this. This picture I will post, okay, and collect from there. And one thing more, in your classwork copy, listen carefully. Water cycle you have to draw in your scrap copy. You have to draw label and color in scrap copy, and in classwork copy you have to draw label and color water and its forms, that means forms of water. First you have to show ice, that means liquid, then ice, that means solid, water, liquid, and steam, that is gaseous form. So 3 states of water or 3 forms of water. First one is ice, that is solid. Second is water, that is liquid. And third one is water vapor or steam, that is gaseous form, gas. Okay, that I have drawn, I have shared in WhatsApp, and you will collect from there and draw in your classwork copy. That is activity for classwork copy, and water cycle is for your scrap copy. Today you open page number 48. Open page number 48. There you can see exercises given. Exercises are given from page number 48 and 49. So start from there. Write down today's date 24/11/20. Write down today's date on page number 48. So start from A. Take the correct answer. 1. Water kept in freezer, in refrigerator, changes into what? The options are A. Steam, B. Ice, C. Water vapor. So, if water is kept into freezer, then it will change into ice on cooling or by cooling. Right? So B. Put tick mark on B. Now 2. When water drops freeze in the cloud itself, they fall down as what? The options are A. Rain, B. Hailstorm, C. Snow. Yes, the answer is snow. When the water drops freezes in the cloud itself, when the water vapor freezes, what happened then? They fall down as snow. Okay, and the next one that I have given extra you will write in your book that when water drops freezes on their way and fall down as on their way, and it freezes in the cloud itself, there is difference. Freezes in the cloud itself, that means snow, and when the water drop freezes on their way, that means it falls as hailstorm. Okay, that is hailstone. Then put a tick mark on B, hailstone. And number 2, put a tick mark on C. And number 3, put a tick mark on B. Okay, for in the book only 2 MCQ is given. I have added one extra one. Now come on to B. Complete the sentence with the help of the word given below. Options are given here. 3 options are there and you have to choose the correct one. 1. Ice changes into dash when kept out of the refrigerator. When we keep out ice from the refrigerator and put it in the normal temperature, room temperature, what happened? It will change into water. So you will write here water. Ice changes into water. Number 2. When water is heated, it changes into what? Steam. Steam is another form of water vapor. Water vapor or steam, same thing. 3. Snow over mountain melts. Snow over mountain melts and flow into the rivers. Snow over the mountains melts and it takes the forms of river. Okay, flows down into the river. So the answer is river. Now see, students, I have not written this answer separately in copy or you say notebook. I have written this in the book only. So listen carefully the answer and then you will see what I have shared, that you will get the answer from there only. But listen carefully. If you will not understand what I am saying, you can't recover from there. Okay, so answer the following question. What happens when? 2 conditions are given here. What happens when A and B? For A, water in the river and sea gets heated by sun. You have to give reason. Okay, what happens when water in the river and sea gets heated by sun? Simple. You will write like this. You will write when in the front of the statement, like when water in the river and sea gets heated by sun, you will write whole thing and then it changes into water vapor. Only you have to write extra thing, that is it changes into water vapor. That means from the question you have written your half answer. Half answer is given in the question. Like, when water in the river and sea gets heated by the sun, it changes into water vapor. Number 2, the second question is, what happened when water drops in the cloud become larger and heavy? They can't stay there. Then they will fall down. So, what you will write? Same thing, you will start with when and then write the sentence. When water drops in the cloud become larger and heavy, these THEAC, these means it refers to water drops. Okay, these fall on the ground as rain. These fall on the ground as rain. Okay, so I think you have understood. Number 2, what is the main source of water on the earth? What is the main source? Main source is rain. Okay, so rain is the main source of water on the earth. The answer is, you will write this. Okay, I have written in the book only. Below the question, I have written the answer. You have to collect from there. So the answer 2 is rain. Only you have to write rain. Then you have to take all this rest of the sentence from the question. Rain is the main source of water on the earth. Okay, and come on to 3. How can you change water into ice? How can you change water into ice? Then the answer is, we can change water into ice by cooling. Where to cool? By cooling in the freezer. From where you will get the freezer? Inside the refrigerator. I have not written that. Only you will write, we can change water into ice by cooling in the freezer. Okay, this is the answer. So students, I hope you have understood this question answer. Now one value corner is given in your in this chapter, that is Sahil. Read it carefully. Sahil, while playing with Rohan in the courtyard, hurts Rohan's knee. He quickly brings ice cubes from his house and place it on Rohan's knee. Rohan's knee. Rohan's knee is and which value is shown by Sahil. So options are here: A, care; B, punctuality; C, respect. What will be? I think this is punctuality. Okay? In my opinion, it should be punctuality, because yes, his caring friend, but punctuality is the main us. This is the main thing, punctuality. Because see here in question, when Rohan in the while playing with Rohan in the courtyard, hurts Rohan's knee. Then what happened? He quickly brings ice cubes from the house. That means he shows here punctuality. As you know, if anybody hurts, then what you will do? You will put some ice cubes or ice pack on that very place, on the wound. Okay, so he's caring, that is okay, but the main thing is here is punctual. So the punctuality will be the answer. Okay, so students, this chapter is completed. Okay, now from tomorrow we will start revision. So start preparation for the exam. Exam is knocking your door. Okay, it is about to come. It will held from 1st December. Okay, this is what for today, students. The class ends here. You practice this, complete this in your book. Okay, and complete the activity also. 2 activities given, remind it. So, good day.